Hi, I'm Ali from ESA Education. In this activity, your mission is to investigate which crops astronauts should grow for such future space missions. The only permanent human settlement in space is the International Space Station, also known as the ISS. The ISS orbits just 400 kilometers above Earth's surface, and it's permanently inhabited by astronauts from different countries. Every few months, the ISS receives supplies from Earth, including water and food. Each astronaut needs approximately 1 kilogram of oxygen, 1 kilogram of food, and 3 kilograms of water per day. However, regular supplies from Earth will be impossible when humans set permanent bases on the Moon, Mars, or beyond, because they are simply too far away. Astronauts will need to produce their own food. Use your scientist skills to follow and document the development of 3 plants and compare their characteristics. For this activity, you will need water, a logbook, a ruler, 3 pots, labels, soil, and 3 different types of seed. We will demonstrate the activity using basil, radish, and tomatoes. Let's get started. Prepare your logbook. You will use it to keep track of the evolution of each seed into a plant. Collect the seeds from your teacher and label them as Plant A, Plant B, and Plant C. First task is to describe your seeds. Can you identify which seed will produce which plant? Do they look familiar? If you can't recognise them, don't worry. You will learn more about each plant during this activity. Your next task is to plant the seeds. Grab 3 pots and label them A, B, and C. Fill 3/4 of pot A with potting soil and add a bit of water. Repeat the process for pots B and C. Add a few plant A seeds to pot A, add a few plant B seeds to pot B, and finally add some plant C seeds to pot C. Cover each pot with a thin layer of soil, about 1 centimetre. Water the pots and place them in a sunny location. Now you will need to wait. Take care of your plants over the next 12 weeks. Keep the soil moist, but be careful not to overwater. Don't forget to observe how your plants are growing and keep a record in your logbook of their height, number of leaves, fruits, and flowers. Every week you will observe differences between each plant. After 12 weeks, you will have produced food from your crops. The edible parts of each plant are also different. We eat the leaves of the basil plant, the roots of the radish plant, and the fruit of the tomato plant. In space, astronauts will need plants that grow fast, are resilient in different conditions, and provide lots of nutrition without taking up too much space. Which plant would you want to grow on a long space mission? For a more in-depth look at how different factors affect plant growth, check out ESA Education's Astro Food and Astro Farmer activities.